Should we do that wild Kim Sutton beginning?
Yes, Miss Sutton.
Say, we're so excited we can hardly stand it.
We're so excited we can hardly stand it.
Everybody here.
Oh, put your hands together for math. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here.
Lose control, our body and soul. Don't move too fast, people just take it slow. Don't
Get ahead.
just jump
Jump
into
to
it.
it.
Y'all hear about it? The P's and do it.
Good afternoon, class. I'm so glad you're here today to talk about digital root with us. I am very passionate about this number property. How many people would say they grew up never hearing the term digital root? Oh, this is gonna be good. Molly, let me demo with yours. Excuse me. You're gonna flip it over to the back. You're gonna make a V-fold back. This will sit up in front of students like a tent. So you wanna have your place value pocket standing toward the center of the table so that we can use that to find out about digital roofs so that we could begin to look at place value. But if you have to go to a further place based on your grade level standard, you can extend that. And all the masters are on my website. This came from the book I wrote called Place Value with Pizzazz. So they're in the book, but they're also on my website in the free section. So I'll talk a little bit about how that is used for place value. Would you go ahead and pull off the yellow flag? Turn, if you would, to page 50. Side. Pick up, she's gonna say it, your dodecahedron double dice. Those would be the 12-faced polyhedrons. And we will do less with these tonight, but these roll the numbers 1 through 12. So if you're doing basic facts that need 10, 11, and 12, they're pretty powerful for that. Do a practice roll with them. It is kind of like the ball at Times Square. What's fun about these is they're very easy to read. You can tell they land on a face and they're very easy to read from that. Pick up the handful of dice that remain. Now go ahead with the whole handful. Do a practice roll. How many of you are Seinfeld fans? Anybody a Seinfeld fan in here? Where he says, gold, Jerry, gold. Here's the thing, digital root is pure gold. And I am so happy that you would give up the time to be with me after you've had a long teaching day. Thank you for coming tonight.